these issues mawe abuthi abuka umongameli oqala kaKhongolose uJohn Langalibalele owabekwa ngomhla ka8 January 1912 eFree State wayumzulu uphinde wasungula ilanga lumzulu waphinde futhi uShembe wahlangana neSilo uDinuzulu yabona uMamonga wosutha kabulalo yasezile. So that combo and that combination, it shows that they know where the power is. Or Dr. Seme from the Zulu Nation, or Baba Ultuli from the Zulu Nation, even Nelson Mandela, Alanga voter, 1994. Wafika wayoma phewe ekhanda lethuna lika John Langalibalele Dube as the first president of the African National Congress. What he, dear Mr. President, I am standing here before you to tell you that today South Africa is free. Wayengavoteli ngani uno Eastern Cape, wayengavoteli ngani eUnion Buildings, wayengavoteli ngani eCape Town, wayengavoteli ngani eHowick lapha boshela khona, to prove that element of freedom in this country. And then, but he have chosen a very significant historical moment where he stood in the head of an ancestral president of the movement called ANC. So uZwelizwe Mavavi uyinhlunyeja uyasidakelwa ngelinye ilanga uzophaphama uZwelizwe Mavavi ethuka uZulu ethuka noShembe ethi why uShembe is busy ehlangana ngalendlela ahlangana ngayo egida uShembe uzinophobic ayikho into njengaleyo. Isikhundleni sokuthi yena lo mbombo wenja ouzwelizwe Mavavi ozama ukuzovuka ngokugibela igagasi likaZulu elikhulu kuna wonke amagagasi kulelizwe ke uyasinyela uZwelizwe Mavavi yabona akaqhubeke yena namaphilisi kashukela ekabaye bahambe lapha lamakhensa amasende oZwelizwe Mavavi beyeke ukusixovela izwe before they die. Because there is an insult to the entire work that they have been working with the old people of this country in South Africa. It is a pure insult. And I even told Julius Malema that you are hating wrong people. We are the most loving nation. We are most welcoming nation. And we are powerful when we don't take nonsense. What better? Zakala. Uzulu lo. Thina siqoshe abantu eSouth Africa aba illegally ngezwi. We are God friends by the voice. God created in heaven and earth by the voice. And isigodlo sikaNkulunkulu sibizwa ngezulu. Yithi amazulu singabasezulwini. So uShembe molda a cultural religion ngozulu yithi abantu yithi amazulu. So we love other tribes as we are the nation. We have been proving that beyond reasonable doubt. We forcefully went to Eastern Cape to make sure that akonkosi mana Nigeria aqoshwa la sama nophakela madoda imfene yami madoda ifuthi amakhala khona lapha yabo so manje uqonda namhlanje umXhosa nomZulu bayinto eyodwa and we can't be defeated. Lokho kusho ukuthi we can't debate about issues. We will carry on debate about issues, but Zwelinzima fuck off. Instead of encouraging the young ones that Zulus can be taken as a lesson ukuthi umuntu onokuphinda angene isilo samamandla wonke, have make sure we even during 1994 mind you umuntu onokuphinda angene wayemsheshi wayikhonza kakhulu isonto way academics ngokwemfundo aphinde futhi abe umuntu okhonza kakhulu inkolo kodwa wakwazi ukupreserve a cultural heritage of the Zulu nation. Sasifunda ngisho esikoleni although yena wayefuna ukufeza inhloso zakhe zepolitiki ngokwenkatha, but it help us uzovimba uthini umkhumbi wempi kaZulu, uzovimba wathini amabhinqa bekhona ongizwa umculo, uzovimba wathini amabhinqa esabalele lonke ama-university. We are the future of this country, and we will lead this country, and we will change this country, and we will love all our tribes and our nations that are amongst us. And we are not here to collapse our economy. We are here to make sure that we want a change, and the change must happen now, and we must be the part of the change.
Sibonga kakhulu ndawethu ake sibone lapha ngaphandle ukuthi khona beza izinsizi zakho.
Hawu abahambe bobolo kuje ikhetsa amasende laba bantu.